A high court in Japan ruled Thursday that the country's ban on same-sex marriages was unconstitutional and prompted the government to act on the matter, as Japan remains the only G7 nation to not offer equal legal protections or rights to same-sex couples. Commenting on the rulings, the advocacy group Marriage for All Japan said, "We once again strongly urge the Diet, Japanese parliament, to take seriously the harsh criticisms from the judiciary and immediately begin concrete legislative work to revise the law to recognize same-sex marriages." The group also said it plans to hold a rally outside the Japanese Diet building on Friday. Following the Sapporo District Court's historic ruling in 2021, several other courts have heard cases about same-sex marriages with mixed outcomes. In 2022, the Osaka District Court dismissed a similar lawsuit and said the restrictions were not unconstitutional. Last year, the Nagoya District Court ruled the ban was unconstitutional. The Japanese government led by Prime Minister Fumio Kishida has argued that the constitution only recognizes marriage between heterosexual couples and has been reticent about changing that. Despite this, support for same-sex marriages in Japan has continued to grow, with a poll from last year showing that it has 72% support. Japan is the only country in the G7 group of advanced economies that does not legally recognize or offer any protections for same-sex unions. Some local governments in Japan provide certificates to same-sex partners with limited benefits. Italy also doesn't recognize same-sex marriages but, unlike Japan, it allows same-sex civil unions with all the same legal protections as married couples. Japan High Court rules same-sex marriage ban unconstitutional. Kyodo News.